Hey guys, it's Lawrence from Laws of Physio, and today we are going to learn how to use crutches properly. So the first thing and the most important thing is actually getting the right crutch for you. So there are two forms of crutches. So you've got the Canadian crutch, which is this one, and this is if you're a little bit stronger and you can actually put pressure through your arms. This is good because it takes pressure off your armpit. The other one is known as an auxiliary crutch, and that's the one that digs into your armpit. It can be more comfortable if you're not as strong, but the downside is it's going to be digging into your armpit. Some people, that can cause like rashing or irritation through the armpit, so pick and choose depending on how you go. When you buy sizes, there's going to be small, medium, large, and they will usually show you what height it is depending on the person. So today I'm using this crutch, and you do need to set it up properly. So the way you set it up is if the crutch is right next to you, the handle should be right next to this bony part right on your hip right there, the greater trochanter of your hip. So to get the right height, there are nodules on the side here, so you just press them in and then you can lengthen or shorten them depending on what height you need. And the main thing is to have the handle at that bony part in your hip. So how to use the crutches depends on how much weight you can actually put through your leg. So if you're non-weight bearing, so let's say my right foot, for example, I can't put any pressure through this leg. The way you're going to walk is you're going to place the crutches down first in a comfortable position, and then you're going to use your arms to support yourself and do a mini hop, okay? Crutches, mini hop, okay? So from the side, crutches, mini hop, crutches, mini hop. The hard part, or the one that gets people a bit messed up, is when you can do partial weight bearing. So this really depends on your injury and if your doctor or your specialist has cleared you to put a little bit of pressure through that leg. So if you have two crutches, it is a bit more simple. It can get a bit more complicated once there's one crutch involved. So with two crutches, let's say I can put partial weight bearing through my right leg again. So what you're gonna do is, again, support yourself. While using your arms to keep pressure, you're going to put as much pressure on this foot as you can and then step through. The other leg, the left leg, should be strong enough to handle your weight. So standing on one leg, you're going to, again, put two arms out for support, partial weight bear through that, and then follow through, okay? So how that looks from the side, two crutches, putting through, onto this side, two crutches, walking through to this side, okay? So the idea of the crutches is you're giving yourself an extra two limbs to put body weight onto. So when you put your affected side down, or the side that has the injury, you're pretty much standing on three legs, so there's a lot less pressure on that injured leg. So if your physio or your doctor's saying that you're doing pretty well and they want you to wean off the crutches, so they want you to put more weight on that leg, you're gonna upgrade to using just the one crutch. So with the one crutch, the key thing you need to know is it should be on the opposite side to the injured leg, okay? So say the right leg again, you're gonna be supporting yourself on the left side, okay? And the reason you do this, again, is because you're giving yourself a third limb. And what this is gonna do, you're gonna use your arm to take pressure off this leg, okay? So the way we walk with this one is you're gonna use the crutch, as much pressure as you can through here, and then walking through, take that off, walk through. So the idea is you can stand on the one leg, and then on the injured side, you're using the crutch to support yourself and the injured leg, okay? So on the side, crutch, and you can synchronize it. So crutch and step at the same time, come through, crutch, come through.